For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Transit cargo van in white. It has charcoal black cloth interior, seating for two. The rest is the cargo area, and this has a 6-cylinder flex fuel engine. It's an automatic transmission and it's a rear wheel drive. It also has a backup camera and as well AM/FM radio. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. You also have another little bin here, and there's your lighting controls. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have got your horn. And when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading. And there you go. And as well, your controls. And then in the center, there's a cubby. As well, you're seeing your stations for your media, which is AM/FM, and your volumes there. There's your hazard lights. You have an automatic select shifter. And down below is your fan. You have your AC and max AC. As well, there's a 12 volt and an auxiliary line in just below here. And then you've got a couple of cup holders, another 12 volt. Both driver and passenger have armrests for your comfort. Off to the side is your glove compartment, another bin for the passenger. And up above, you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, and your lighting controls are up above. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, just to make it easier to get in. Wheels, and you're seeing that little cutout beside the door. That's where your fuel tank is. You have black door handle as well as the cladding along the side. And in the back, two big windows, your black handle, and then just to the left of the license plate, you have your backup camera, and you have backup sensors on your bumper. When you want to open up these doors, you simply release the handle on the right hand side here. And then there's another handle on the left. You just unclip this. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing lighting up above. There's a partial pass-through to the passenger side, and there's tie-downs on the floors and clips on the sides to be able to tether things. And you can convert this van any way you want. It's great for hauling things, or you can make it a little handyman, woman truck. And then to close up doors, left then right, and then just lock it all up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Slide the passenger side door, and you now have access to the cargo area. There's a little step there, and there's partial pass-through, and you're seeing clips on the floor. There's lighting up above, and lots of room back here to do whatever you'd like. And then just as easily slide the door closed, and you're ready to take off. And cladding, privacy glass in the windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.